welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest here today,
Asia.
Obviously she's grown since the last time you guys have seen her on my channel. Asia is 16 now, but we look like twins, right? We look like twins. Oh. Today we are bringing you our curly hair routine. Both of us have different curl patterns. Hers is really like curly, as you can see. You can tell by her bangs. Mine is more like wavy. So we're gonna show you our different curl routines.
Yeah.
And how to achieve these looks. This big, huge, voluminous curly hair look. And my more relaxed, curly, wavy. Would you call this curly? It's kind of like wavy.
It's like curly at the top and then wavy at the end.
Well, curly with... okay.
Bless you.
I was gonna say. Yeah, we're gonna show you our different routines because we do have very different routines, and mine has changed since the last time you guys saw it. Like, oh my god, like 5 years ago, I think. Was when I put on my for real?
Yeah.
Why you was watching that? Yeah, that video was 5 years ago. That's crazy. So if you guys want to see how we achieved our curly hair looks and our curly hair routines, then just keep on watching.
That was supposed to move on to the next slide.
Oh wait, but before we continue, what do they gotta do?
Make sure
Yep.
make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification little bell thing to know when she posts.
Matter of fact, go ahead and hit that like button right now. We'll wait
give you
for
a
y'all.
few seconds.
Tap in. Okay, it's time for the video. All right, let's get into it, y'all. So we take our hair out of our towels, our microfiber towels, and I die at Asia's face when she takes her hair out. Look at her face. I'm dead. So yeah, that's how we let our hair dry just a little bit. So this is how our hair looks with no product in it, just freshly washed, thick, curly, mixed girl hair. This is what it is. So as you can see, her hair dries a lot faster than mine, probably because it's shorter, a little thicker. Yeah, that's just us being goofy. So this is my curl pattern. It's more like wavy. It's not really curly. And that's some of her bangs there. Hers is wavy, but more curly and more thick and coarse. So the shampoo and conditioner she used was the Herbal Essences Coconut Milk line. It's natural, 90% natural, no parabens or colorants. So the best and easiest way for us to start doing anything to our hair is to section it off. So we both put our hair, or section our hair in half, wrap the other half in a bun, clip it with a claw clip. These are the ones with the rubber inside because they're non-slip and they're the best. I'm gonna start by, showing you guys that I'm going to wet my hair. I forgot something in my bathroom. We're in Asia's bathroom, and she took it upon herself just to say hi and be her typical self, always dancing, always being goofy. I think she gets it from me. So yeah, we section off our hair. You want to, with curly hair, because it dries kind of quick, at least ours anyway, we have to re-wet it. So I go in with my wide tooth comb after wetting my hair some, and I'm gonna go ahead and detangle. Asia has to wet her hair, but she can't help but to wet me as well. Oh my god, I die when I watch this. So this was our solution while she put the water bottle to her hair. So we're both detangling our hair. She starts off using this brush, but she forgot that she had her Denman brush, so she'll eventually switch to that. That's me trying to avoid getting wet. So there's the Denman brush I was talking about. She's going to go ahead and detangle with that. She needs something a little bit more hardcore than just a wide tooth comb for her hair, she feels. And I just go in with a wide tooth comb. So her first product is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. So this is the first product she applies to her hair. It's like a custard type of consistency, and she uses 2 fingers to scoop it out. The first product I use is the Design Essentials Natural Almond and Avocado Mousse. This adds moisture back into my hair and enhances my curls. And it's not watery. We use a good amount of product in our hair because our hair is so thick and it literally drinks product like it's really thirsty. So I evenly distribute that throughout my hair. She evenly distributes the leave-in conditioner throughout her hair. And again, we just do it in sections because this is the easiest way to do it. The next product Asia uses is the Wetline Extreme Gel. It is alcohol free. It doesn't flake in her hair. It is super cheap. You can get it anywhere and it comes in a big ass tub, which is even better. So again, 2 fingers. Her method for scooping out her product is 2 fingers. A lot of parts of her hair are more straight than curly or wavy. They just dry straight. So she finger curls her hair to manipulate curls so it'll dry that way. The gel that I use is the Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel, the Argan Oil formula with the max hold of 10. It's like this yellow color, but obvi, it dries clear. I start putting the product at the top of my head and working my way down on the whole half first. And the water started dripping, so I'm just blotting it with a towel. This one doesn't flake in my hair the first few days, but it does after maybe like 3-4 days. So I take the half section of my hair and I just distribute the gel in it, and then I will start sectioning it off into smaller sections and putting more gel in it and just finger combing as I go to make sure an even amount of gel is distributed throughout my hair. Asia uses a lot less gel because she likes the bigger, more voluminous look in her hair. So she uses less gel. She likes her hair to be big and puffy. She's already put gel in her hair as well. Me, I'm just continuing to put it in by section. So when she's done with one half, she puts it back into a bun and clips it out of her way. And then she'll go ahead and start putting conditioner and gel on the other half of her hair. Also, Asia doesn't work in such small sections like I do, so she'll take half of her hair and split it in half again. And so she'll just take one half and clip it away and start working on that other half. So it's kind of like a quarter at a time. She has to re-wet her hair because, as you can see, it's really dry by this time because her hair dries extremely quick, like air drying. So she's just going to re-wet it again. You want to, as a curly girl, make sure your hair is nice and saturated. The more wet it is, the nicer your curls are going to dry. So after I'm done putting the gel in half of my head, or that section I was working on, I go ahead and just comb through it with a wide tooth comb to separate the curls so there's not like big chunks. I like them to be separated. And she just re-wet her hair and is detangling and apparently dancing. I can't deny she's definitely my child. Don't stop, get it, get it. So yeah, and then she goes in with her products. That's the conditioner. And she's just gonna evenly distribute that by combing it through with the Denman brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and start on the second half of my hair, the other half that I didn't do, that was in a bun. I'm gonna go ahead and saturate that with some water. And then I'll go ahead and detangle it as you saw me do before. We were blasting music, like we have to listen to music while we're doing anything related to getting ready. So that's why this is a voiceover. At this point, she wanted to show me some kind of TikTok dance or the tap-in dance from Sweetie. She's Black and Filipino too. Shout out Sweetie, our Filipino sister. I don't know she's our sister. So yeah, she's attempting to show me the dance, but you know, I'm young but old, you know what I'm saying? So I can't keep up with this stuff. I'm like stiff as a board now because I don't dance anymore. I haven't danced since I was like super young, like in my 20s young. I look like an old lady, I know, but whatever. We know how to have fun together. And she's just basically laughing at me the whole time because I look like an old lady. So after our little dance lesson routine, whatever, we're just going to continue re-wetting our hair, detangling our hair, and continue to put the product in it. Asia with her conditioner and gel, and me with did I use the avocado stuff already? No, I don't think I did. So I'm going to put back in the avocado mousse and the gel on top of that, section by section. And Asia's actually almost done with hers. Again, she works in bigger sections than me because she likes the more voluminous look. And me, I take a little bit more time because I don't want it as voluminous as that. And I think I forgot to mention, the way I distribute the product through my hair is once I'm done with one half, I go ahead and put the first product in the other half. So as you can see, I'm putting the mousse. I didn't put the mousse in this half yet because it was just sitting up in that bun. So once I was done putting the mousse and gel on one side, I go ahead, re-wet the other half that I didn't do. And I put the mousse and then I go ahead and put the gel and just section off everything, or do it in sections because it's easier, and that way you can make sure the product is distributed evenly. Again, Asia doesn't use as much product. A lot of times, as you can see, our routines are very different. I don't have to finger curl my hair because most of my hair is curly or wavy just naturally. For some reason, her hair has a lot of straight pieces, especially the under half or underneath her hair has a lot of straight pieces. It just dries straight. It's the weirdest thing. So she has to manipulate those curls by finger curling her hair. As you can see, she's about to start finger curling her bangs as well. The Denman brush really does help define the curls as well, but she still goes back and finger curls them just to define them a little bit more and just kind of section off little candy curls. Hers actually dry as candy curls. My hair is just more wavy. So this is Asia's almost done hair. As you can see, the finger curling really does make a difference. Plus her bangs are a lot curlier because it's the shortest part of her hair. As for me, once I am done putting all the products in my hair, I have that like line down the middle that I don't like. So I go ahead and I'll put all my hair to one side and I will comb it out so that there's no part in the middle of my head. I just kind of flip it around on both sides and just start combing it. I'll add a little bit more gel to the top because sometimes it gets a little frizzy and I don't like it like that. And then I'll just scrunch it and fluff it as I please until it looks like the desirable amount of waves, I guess you could call it. I'll flip my head upside down. That helps, I think, well, for me anyway, it helps with volume. And then it is time to use our diffusers. So I have this one I just got off of Amazon. It is very comparable to the Dyson, except it is literally a quarter of the price. I'll link it down below. It has 3 speeds. It has a cool air thing as well. I don't know what you would call that, but it projects cool air, which is what I use on my hair. And Aisha's just using our old school Revlon one. But yeah, we both have to diffuse our hair till it's like, I would say maybe like 70 to 80% dry, and then the rest of it we'll just let it air dry. I like to flip my head over and use the diffuser. I believe it helps with volume as well. Asia kind of does the same thing, although she doesn't need to. Her hair is pretty voluminous. She doesn't comb it down the middle. She'll just kind of fluff it out as she goes, as you can kind of see she's doing there with the diffuser. And I would say the diffusing portion maybe takes like 15 minutes or so, not too long. And we just go through every part of our hair, the scalp, underneath our hair. I don't know about y'all, but I hate feeling that sticky wet gel feeling on the back of my neck. So I really kind of make sure to get all up in there. And Asia more pushes her hair up to her scalp. Again, that creates more volume. As you can see here, it's just getting like bigger and bigger by the second. So we kind of just fluff out our hair, style it as we like. I don't like it down the middle. I kind of just take my hand and like push it over to one side like that, like a undone side part type of thing. That is how I think it looks most flattering on me. And Asia keeps hers parted down the middle. Of course, her bangs kind of hide the part in the front, and she kind of throws some of her hair to the front to make it more voluminous as well. I don't know what we were doing there. And here is a montage of us, you know, just being cute or whatever, you know, us young black queens gotta be cute. So this is basically just how our hair turned out. And cue the extraness. We're just going to be pretend models and model our hair for you guys over the next few seconds. Enjoy. Hopefully y'all learned some little tips and tricks from us that we use. Everything we use in this video is going to be linked below in the description box. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit them links down below. I make it easy for y'all to find what y'all need, right?
We got you.
Right, we got you. We got
you.
So yes, everything will be linked down below. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, yes.
Share. Also, in the comments, you could leave ideas for us so we can make more videos for you guys.
Yes, let me know if you guys want more videos with Asia. I love our little mother-daughter videos. And oh my god, the last time you were in one was what, like our...
That being BOOZLED challenge. That was so... Oh my god, ew. But as you can see, I've grown so much. So let's just not go back to those days.
The Being Boozled challenge, you were like 11 or 12. Oh my god. I'm gonna leave that link down below for y'all because it's so cute. Oh my god, my little baby.
I look like, I don't even know. I just had like big teeth, and then my hair was in that tiny little bun.
Asia, your girlie never had big teeth. Okay.
Like I said, comment ideas, and we'll just
now
do them. We'll make new videos.
Yes, let us know
More
what you want to see next. Yes, definitely. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so y'all don't miss a video on this channel. And we'll see y'all in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Peace and love.